A magnitude 5.0 earthquake near Gorno-Badakhshan, Tajikistan was reported only 12 minutes ago by the German Research Center for Geosciences (GFZ). Considered one of the key international agencies that monitor seismic activity worldwide. The earthquake occurred at an intermediate depth of 108 km beneath the epicenter early morning on Thursday, 5th May 2022 at 5:05 am local time. Our monitoring service identified a second report from India's National Center for Seismology (NCS) which lists the quake at magnitude 5.3. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the Citizen Seismograph Network of Raspberry Shack at magnitude 5.0, Francis Ratio National Surveillance Seismic at magnitude 5.2, and the European Mediterranean Seismological Center (EMSC) at magnitude 5.4. Generally, quakes of this magnitude are recorded by more than one agency and the result can vary, with subsequent reports that come in after the first one often showing more accuracy. Based on the seismic data, the quake should not have caused any significant damage but was probably felt by many people as light vibration in the area of the epicenter. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thanks.